Oh, look at that bait right there. Look at that bait. You see it? Right there. You can see it. You can see the bait. There you go.
Got you. Oh, nice one, dude.
Got a foggy morning here at the upper lake. So get the nav lights out, and it's gonna be a slow crawl across the lake to start it off, but should clear off and get good here pretty quick, hopefully. So, all right, see you guys out there. Got a little jerkbait action. The Castaic Zephyr. It's like we're at center point, right? I don't know. It looks different though, doesn't it?
I was Christopher Columbus. I thought I was in India. I was in America.
Little flute. Yeah. We're now with sir. Oh, I just got a hit. You see that? Yeah. A little largy. Missed it though. Right on that point. Yeah. Yeah, it's got the little feather on the back. I actually put the feather on the back.
You did?
Yeah. Oh, got one. Finally, huh? I think, yeah. Alrighty. There he is. No, I don't want to get my hand jacked up. There we go.
Sick, bro.
Yee, topwater. Another one on the. Oh, come on, guy. Another one on the back. Look at this little fat dude.
Little dude's been eating, huh?
Yeah, he is. First one, finally. Little fat dude. Look how fat he is. It's cool, this BFS. Real. Cast a little itty bitty bait far.
Is that what the rig you put together or no? BFS?
BFS?
I'm not familiar.
So BFS, it's like a new thing they make. This is the cheapie because this is the casting, but Shimano makes them, and it's basically you don't put more than like 6 or 8 pound test on it. Oh yeah.
Another one, huh?
Let's go, baby. Oh. But you can cast these little. You can cast like a 1/8 ounce that far on a bait caster. It does, dude. There should be some good topwater, I would imagine. Yeah.
Look how small that fish is.
That's smallmouth. smallie.
Is it?
Yeah. That little sucker. Little yellow eye. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Homie, you freaking T-bone. Alright. I got you. Alright. Yeah, look at that small. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, what'd I get?
Right there.
Oh, look at that bait right there. Look at that bait. Look at, you see it? Right there. You can see it. You can see the bait. There you go.
Got you. Oh, nice one, dude.
You can see the bait.
Huh?
Oh yeah. The snapper always feels so much better though. There's a trifecta. If I can get him in the boat.
Using that?
Yeah, baby.
That's a good one, dude. Your neighbor's gonna be stoked. The riser
No, the mega bass.
came out, too.
You know what? I was able to
See when they were about to.
the bait.
come
I got
out.
ahead of it, and it was right when they were chasing it. Freaking things anymore, dude. Slice my hand up so bad. He's chunky.
That's a good one,
Shut
bro.
that camera real quick. All right, finally the first snapper of the day, guys.
Keep that sucker.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep this guy for my neighbor. Nice chunky one though. Not huge, but a little too pound.
There's another one right behind it.
You can see the arrow forming, and then it's like right there. You saw that, huh?
Yeah.
It went down quick though. Oh, boil, real boil. You want a motor?
Huh?
What? There's a real boil. This trolling motor is so.
The everybody's gonna.
Hold on, Jordan. That was a nice little. That was the best one all day.
Shorty, get the net this time. Might be hung up on something. Really? Or is it just a tank? Could be a tank. Might be a tank.
Miss it? Oh, I see it.
Good one or what?
I could just.
Oh, let's go. Nice. Bro. Is it just a stick though? We should grab the
Here,
stick.
grab this. And then yeah, lift it up and I'll grab the stick.
All the fish is on there. Dude.
Yep, yep, you got.
I think I hooked him pretty good. Let's go! Yes, dude. That's hilarious.
Yeah, dude. Little chunker.
Sweet.
It's,
Let's go. Yeah. Right. Yeah, bro.
it's a nice one.
That is a good fish.
Real good one, man. There's so many little guys up here lately.
Dude, they're eating jig, man.
Woo! Nice. Oop. Smallie? Yeah, little fighter. Heck yeah. Yeah. Let's go. All right, so a little quick report from the day. Just was tough. It was tough getting anything going on early. That dense fog. It took a while to get bit. Got that largemouth. Got a little baby smallie. Then the sun came out and I finally found some boils. We finally found some boils and got that striper. But then just searching everywhere. Finally did some bass fishing and my buddy Jordan got that that largie on the jig and also that smallmouth. And there were some boils popping up back in that cove too. We just couldn't get to them. Every time they pop up, try to get to them, down. So it was tough, but hey, we got a little boat trifecta, caught some fish, good times. All right, but thanks for watching and see you on the next one.